YouTube has an AI setting that can create dubbed audio tracks for your video automatically. First, I will show you where to find it on your phone. Next up, we'll do the same on a desktop. Open the YouTube Studio app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap Settings, scroll down to the Content section. Then tap Automatic Dubbing. But hold up, don't turn on Allow Automatic Dubbing just yet. Test the dubbing on this video first. Open the video settings, select audio track and switch between the available dubs. Now let's turn on automatic dubbing on desktop. Go to youtube.com, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then click YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, click Settings in the bottom left. Now click Channel. Open the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down until you see Automatic Dubbing. Simply check the Allow Automatic Dubbing checkbox. Now decide if you want to check the dubs yourself before they go live. If you do, I would start with Publish manually. That way you can check the dub before it goes live. One last thing, you can turn automatic dubbing on from your phone, but managing specific dub tracks has to be done on desktop. If YouTube's dubbing does not sound good enough, you should try a dedicated tool like ElevenLabs. I'll put a link in the description. Last but not least, some languages support expressive dubbing. That means YouTube tries to copy the speaker's tone and intonation so the dub sounds more natural. But your voice can still sound completely different, so test it first. Like and save this video so you can find the settings again later.